Good morning. Good morning. United States. So after the First World War, a young Mexican industrial of Frenchman and assistant Jean Pérez wrote some of the French cattle to his ranch in Mexico. He has been the Chevrolet cattle during war I was serving as a French army volunteer and was impressed by their appearance and productivity. He arranged for a shipment of two boats and 10 members to Mexico in 1930. So later shipment in 1931 and 1937 increased the total number to 37 boats and 29 payments. Not long after the last shipment, positive points and no further exports were attempted. The first Chevrolet to come into the United States and Mexico are believed to be both Mexican and Ortolan, which were purchased from Ojibwa by the King Ranch in Texas and imported in 1939. To 1939, later imports of both were owned by some of the area pioneers in the industry are Thomas, Fred W. Turner, A.M.P. M.D. Major Simmons, and I.D. Townsend, also Sister P.J. Lawton and Feliciano, and others. In the mid-1940s, an outbreak of the hog and mouth disease occurred in Mexico. As a result, a treaty between the United States, Canada, and Mexico set up a permanent quarantine against cattle coming to any of these countries from Europe or any countries in which hog and mouth disease was known to exist. This buried any further importation of French Chevrolet on the continent until 1965 when Canada opened import doors via quarantine both in France and in Canada. Developed in the United States. Until the mid-1960s, all the Chevrolets in Mexico, the United States, and Canada were descendants of this initial Ojibwe herd due to the limited number of original animals and the import restrictions, which were in place. They have been crossed on other cattle in an upgrading process because of the use of upgrading process. Few of the Chevrolet cattle currently found in the United States are of
Yan, Mar, tapungunan
breeding.
tayan.
With the lightening of the import restriction of Canada in the mid-1960s, full blood
Gago niya mo.
blood lines from France.
Sige, yagi dyan, market dinas.
Genetic material were
Dinaskal sayaw.
tightly with Chevrolet pedigrees of the time. Several breeding
Dyan.
were established in Canada, as well as the island Islands of
Hindi pa pas ka akong buhok.
and the Bahamas, Japan, England, and Iran also imported pure-bred Chevrolet directly from France.
Hindi na. Hindi ko yung baba. Hindi ko yung baba.
American Chevrolet are referred to as purebred or imported, depending on
Hindi mo ko tumagpad.
percentage of non-Chevrolet blood. The term purebred is used on those that carry
Yung man
potato or more Chevrolet with blood and those with
Bumakapoy bala si Mario magsinunod.
To develop athletes.
Tulok na bi. Dira na lang kanili mo bata.
Kamu na ka pa.
Oo. Idol. Nagkakula na.
Gipusingan niya yung...
Hindi mo. Wala period-period dyan.
Wala ginawa.
Boom.
Agay.
Na,
I-upload mo tayo sa YouTube.
Bes, i-upload yun na.